To help states, districts, teachers, and other users determine the degree of alignment of open educational resources to the Common Core state standards, and to determine aspects of quality OER, Achieve has developed a series of rubrics, listed here, in collaboration with leaders from the OER community. The purpose of these rubrics is to provide a structure for evaluating an online resource in a systematic, purposeful, and comprehensive way. To allow users to apply these rubrics and evaluate the quality of instructional resources, Achieve partnered with OER Commons to develop an online evaluation tool. OER Commons, an online repository for open education resources, is now hosting the tool and its resulting evaluation data. OER Commons is a node on the United States Federal Learning Registry. The data collected via the OER evaluation tool is available through the Learning Registry for broad access to curriculum developers, content aggregators, and educators for use in their local contexts. Every resource available on OER Commons contains an Evaluate Resource button that will direct users to the evaluation tool. Users can see the average ratings under each rubric listed on each resource's page. The following 5-point scoring system describes the predicted levels of quality. A 3 rating means the object is superior in that specific area. A 2 means it's strong. A 1 rating means it is limited. And rating an object 0 means it is very weak in that specific area of quality. Users can rate an object NA when a particular rubric does not apply to the object being rated. NA is not a pejorative score. It simply means it would be inappropriate to apply this rubric to a particular object. On the Resources page, you can click on Go to OER Item to see the item itself, as well as Evaluate Resource to begin evaluating. Users should review each object thoroughly before electing to evaluate that resource, as rating should reflect the quality of the resource as a whole, not just its specific parts. After choosing to evaluate, a floating frame will display the tool on the right-hand side with a web page showing the resource behind it. After reading through the introductory material and guidelines, click Start Evaluating to use the tool. By default, the tool will open to Rubric 1 first, but you can choose to evaluate with the rubrics in any order just by clicking on each rubric's title, and the ratings for each rubric will drop down. Be aware that if an object has not already been aligned, users must first align the object to a standard before using Rubric 1, or can choose to skip this rubric entirely. When looking at a rubric in the OER evaluation tool, you can see the scoring descriptors by moving your mouse over the rating numbers. You can select your rating by clicking on the radio button that best corresponds to the object. Notice that you have an opportunity to leave a comment related to this evaluation by clicking the Comment button in the bottom left-hand corner. If you select a rating but are still unsure, you can delete that rating and return to this rubric at a later time by clicking on Clear Rating, also at the bottom left, next to the Comment button. Click on Save and go to Next Rubric to save your results and rate according to other rubrics. Once you are finished evaluating, click View Results to review your ratings, then finalize and submit them.